Hey, welcome back. Today is August 7th. On this post, Ethereum is passing 3K as we speak. Bitcoin is at a key hurdle, as I have been mentioning for the past couple of days. There is a bearish signal I want to talk about for Bitcoin, and I have also mentioned it as well. Now, let's see if we are going to, if this it would affect the overall altcoin markets and how big that effect could be. Before we begin, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. If you guys want to directly support my channel and myself, you guys can use any of my affiliate links below. I personally use Webull and TradingView. If you guys sign up using my Webull link below and my affiliate links below, I would also get a referral bonus. And with Webull, you could also get 2 free stocks. Now, before we begin, please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am an altcoins trader myself, and I have quite a bit of the altcoins. I don't have Ethereum currently. I mainly use it as a market indicator. However, I am not a financial advisor, and none of this should be taken as financial advice. I am only sharing with you my speculations and opinions. You should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. It is extremely risky and volatile in here. Now let's dive right in and see where the markets are at. Bitcoin currently is about 44K. As I have mentioned for the past couple of days, I did foresee if Bitcoin continues higher, passing this previous top here, there could be bearish divergence as we are seeing right now. We do have a higher high on the price action chart. However, a lower high on the RSI, and this is on the daily time frame. Now, bearish divergence more often than not can still signal a pullback. Since yesterday, Bitcoin price action did get a daily candle close on top of this 42.5K fit level right here. However, that was a very slight close. So, in my opinion, that's pretty shaky as support. But right now, we do have a daily candle close that's coming within 3 hours. If we can actually get a daily candle close well above this 42.5K, as we are seeing right now, or not much less than what we're seeing right now, then I could expect this 42.5K support to actually provide some support for the possible pullback, which in my opinion is pretty likely in terms of that divergence there. If we actually do take a look into smaller time frames, starting from the 12-hour, we can see some bearish divergence as well. So some type of short-term pullback is likely. Now, then the question becomes, where could this price action get support from? Well, going back, first level of support here I'm looking at would be about the 42.5K level if we actually do get a daily candle close in 3 hours. Next one down would be some short-term moving averages, including the 12-hour moving averages that we have just gotten passed over, and the daily 21 and the 3-day as well, but those are quite a bit of a way down. So if the 42.5K range does not hold, I'll be a little more careful. And that could signal more of a downside there for Bitcoin and possibly the altcoin markets. Now, Bitcoin dominance here, which would tell me and give me an idea of how the altcoins would move with respect to Bitcoin. Okay, on the daily time frame here, there has been a rising wedge pattern that the price action has broken down from. Rising wedge patterns are generally bearish patterns, and the measured move here, which is a theoretical target for that breakdown, would be about 41%, slightly under. Looks like the price action has broken down from that rising wedge pattern. Also broken below some the daily moving averages here, the 21 and the 50. Retested that bottom trend line. It looks like a bearish retest so far. But the key support I am looking at here would be the 3-day 21 SMA, currently at about slightly above 46% there. Now, if Bitcoin dominance actually continues downwards, that's generally better for the altcoins because that means if Bitcoin actually pulls back, the total altcoin market cap pulls back less. Total altcoin market cap, okay? Not in particular to any specific altcoins, but at least on the total altcoin market cap, the aggregate level. If Bitcoin pulls back, total altcoin market cap pulls back less if Bitcoin dominance continues downwards. If Bitcoin goes up, total altcoin market cap will go up more than that of Bitcoin if this downtrend continues for Bitcoin dominance. Another chart I want to bring up, which I have recently started studying, is the BTC shorts chart, which we are stacking up right now, which is not good because we're now is up about 25%. And we only have this chart available in TradingView for Bitfinex. And I know it's not going to be perfect, and I'm not going to use it as a primary indicator. I will use it as a supplementary indicator here. Now, naturally, this is still a theory, a preliminary idea, because I have just started studying this chart. Naturally, I would expect if Bitcoin price action goes up to a resistance, then BTC shorts will actually increase, right? Shorts will increase because price action is getting to a resistance as comparably buyers would stack up at a support, so sellers would stack up at a resistance. But if I actually see Bitcoin price action getting up to a resistance point and BTC shorts are decreasing, that tells me that could be more of a short squeeze scenario and price action could be getting past that resistance. But right now, that is not the case. This more confirms that Bitcoin could be pulling back in the short term at least. Let's go over to Ethereum, where I have mentioned that this chart is acting ahead of the total altcoin market cap charts. And of course, the total altcoin market cap chart does include Ethereum, but this is leading ahead of the total altcoin market cap chart because we have gotten that weekly candle close on top of the weekly 21 SMA last week. Right now, price action looks like it's trying to close on the weekly time frame here on top of that $3,000 fib level there. That $2,700 resistance proved to be not as strong as resistance as previous data, at least recent data have been showing, because more recently, it looks like the price action has tried to get on top of that $2,700, but it took 3 tries and it was unsuccessful. This time around, it took 2 tries to get on top of that $2,700, and right now it's trying to get on top of that the $3,000 on the weekly time frame. If we actually do get a solid close on top of that $3,000 resistance, that would be making a pretty good case that the altcoins could be following suit. At least total altcoin market cap. Now, if we actually do take a look into the weekly time frame and the 3-day time frame, compare these two charts, very similar charts with Ethereum, total altcoin market cap, right? And on the total altcoin market cap here, price action has still yet to get a weekly candle close on top of the weekly 21 SMA, so it's still lagging behind Ethereum. Weekly candle closes in about a day, so let's see if total altcoin market cap, so altcoins in general, are following suit. But in particular to any altcoins, you guys might want to look into that setup yourself. So I think this answers some of my updates for today. Of course, I will still be paying attention to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, I don't think that's good for the markets. And secondary indicator would be Ethereum, which it looks like total altcoin market cap is following behind. So I'll be keeping an eye out on these two charts, in addition to some of the other indicators I have brought up, and I will be updating you guys as I see more data coming in. Now, if you guys have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.